If you really want to build up a tool set of skills that you can use in the future, this would be the master's to go for. I did illustration animation in the UK. And then when I came here to the Netherlands, I did some corporate communication stuff, a little bit of marketing. And this felt like kind of the natural continuation of that professional advancement. The Master of Data-Driven Design is a full-time one-year master. And essentially you will be learning different themes such as data science, critical thinking and data studies, and human-AI interaction. I chose Utrecht because it had this course in particular, and it's a very unique course. I didn't find it anywhere else, and it just sort of clicked with me. I think something that I didn't expect to like, but I ended up liking, was a discussion panel that we hosted. Everyone got to share their own perspectives on the different topics that were at hand, and you got to really see how each of us grew throughout the masters and became more knowledgeable as time went by. Honestly, my dream job right now would be to teach. I would like to be able to convey the knowledge I get from this master and share it onwards.